This is the story of how Maui tamed the sun. Long ago, the sun would move quickly across the sky. So quick that the people did not have enough time to do their daily tasks. There was not enough time for people to go hunting, fishing, and to do their daily activities. Maui became annoyed because by the time he had cooked his dinner, it was already dark. He exclaimed, "Why must we be slaves to the sun? I will catch the sun before it rises and teach it to travel slowly across the sky." His brothers mocked him at that impossible task.
That sun's gone to your head.
Then Maui reminded his brothers of the marvelous feats he had accomplished with his ancestors' jawbone. Maui said, "Let us gather flax, that we may make the longest ropes, strong, so that we may catch the sun." So into the night, the brothers did weave together the longest, strongest ropes that they might capture the sun. When the ropes were ready, Maui set a karakia over the ropes so that they would be strong and that they might help catch the sun. When they were ready, Maui and his brothers headed off on their journey to the place where the sun rose. On the 12th night, Maui and his brothers arrived at the pit where the sun slept. Maui instructed his brothers to build walls so they could hide behind them as the sun rose. Maui instructed his brothers to stay behind the wall and to not move until he gave the call. As the dawn started to appear and the sun slowly began to wake, Maui and his brothers could feel the heat of Tama-Nui-Te-Ra. And Maui's brothers began to fear. Maui assured his brothers to stay calm until he gave the call. As Tama-Nui-Te-Ra slowly rose, Maui hid patiently, waiting for the right moment to strike. With the call from Maui, Maui's brothers threw the ropes over the sun and began to pull with all of their might. And Maui leapt up. Maui began hitting the sun with his ancestor's jawbone. Why are you doing this to me? Cried Tama-Nui-Te-Ra. From now on, you will travel slowly across the sky. Never again will the length of our day be dictated by you. Maui's brothers loosened the ropes. Tama-Nui-Te-Ra ascended into the sky, tired and beat down. Now the days became longer for Maui and his people, giving them plenty of time to fish, hunt, and do their daily chores. Maui had succeeded in taming the sun. And from that day until this, Tama-Nui-Te-Ra has always travelled slowly across the sky. This is the story of how Maui slew the sun.